Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best windshield removal tool is probably one of the most essential tools for any auto glass professional or DIY enthusiast tackling a windshield replacement. This tool simplifies the process, making it safer and more efficient than traditional methods. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Equalizer Windshield Removal Tool, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can save you time and effort. Number 5. Equalizer Ambush ATV 2012 Auto Glass Replacement Kit. This kit is designed to effortlessly cut through solid urethane. It makes the auto glass replacement process much easier. You'll be amazed at how smoothly it works. The frame is both compact and lightweight. This design makes it easy to handle and maneuver. You won't feel weighed down while working. It features a molded rubber grip. This provides the right amount of comfort and control. You can work for longer periods without fatigue. The quick-release blade clamp is a convenient feature. It allows for fast and easy blade changes. This saves you time and effort. With this kit, replacing auto glass becomes a breeze. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. Get the job done quickly and effectively. What we like. This tool is designed to effortlessly cut through solid urethane, making your job easier. Its compact and lightweight frame ensures maneuverability, while the comfortable grip provides control. If you're looking for a tool that can handle tough urethane with ease and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. I have been beating this tool up at work daily. It's all we use due to their quality. They last for years. We typically use them on 1,000 plus vehicles per year per tool. Good weight and easy to use. I've been doing windshield replacements for over 10 years and have used 5 other cutout tools. This is the best one I've used so far. Number 4. Equalizer Viper Deluxe Kit, Glass Removal Tool. This is the Equalizer Viper, a versatile tool for glass removal. It's designed for various glass types, including quarter glasses, windshields, and back glasses. The Viper is a cord and wire removal device. It simplifies the process of removing glass from vehicles. It is a comprehensive solution for your glass removal needs. The reel's double direction feature enhances usability. This allows for optimal performance in different scenarios. It ensures efficient and effective glass removal. The ratchet shaft has magnetic points. This keeps your ratchet firmly attached to the tool. This is especially useful in challenging angles. With the Equalizer Viper, removing glass becomes easier. It is a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This tool is an all-in-one solution for glass removal, perfect for various scenarios. The double direction capability enhances usability, and the magnetic ratchet ensures secure attachment. If you often work with small quarter glasses or need a versatile tool for windshields and back glasses, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great, worth the money. Great tool to have in your kit. It already paid for itself. Number 3. Equalizer Black Ops HHT 2013-120 Volt Auto Glass Removal Tool. This is the Equalizer Black Ops, a powerful tool designed for auto glass removal. It's built to make the job easier and more efficient. With this tool, you can remove auto glass quickly and safely. The Equalizer Black Ops operates on 120 volts, providing ample power for tough jobs. It ensures consistent performance, allowing you to tackle various glass removal tasks with ease. This tool is a reliable choice for professionals. This tool simplifies the process of removing auto glass. It's engineered to cut through the adhesive, making the removal process smoother. You'll find that it saves time and effort. The Equalizer Black Ops is designed for efficiency and effectiveness. It helps you get the job done right the first time. The tool is a great addition to any auto glass professional's toolkit. Part of the Black Ops series, this tool is built for durability and performance. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. It's a reliable tool you can count on. What we like. This tool provides powerful performance with its 120-volt motor. It is designed for efficient glass removal, ensuring durability for long-term use. If you need a reliable and powerful tool for auto glass removal, you should consider this one. What people say. It used to take me about 45 minutes to cut a windshield out of a vehicle, but now with the Black Ops it only takes 10 minutes. All the power you need in half the machine. Number 2. Equalizer Express Windshield Urethane Cutting Removal Blade. This is a 3-piece set of blades from Equalizer Industries. They are designed for cutting and removing windshield urethane. This set includes the ambush, Black Ops, and push knife blades. These blades are sharp and strong, perfect for the job. They are made to cut through the urethane with ease. You can rely on them for a clean removal. The blades are compatible with various Equalizer tools. They work with the ambush, Stingray, Black Ops, Express, push knife, and Black Hawk models. This ensures versatility for different removal tasks. They are made of a proprietary grade of stainless steel. This material ensures durability and longevity. This makes the blades a reliable choice for professional use. These blades work well where the urethane is very deep below the dash. They are designed to reach and cut through the toughest adhesive. This feature makes it a great tool. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. This ensures you're getting a reliable product. What we like. These blades are sharp, strong, and made of stainless steel for durability. They are designed to work well where the urethane is very deep below the dash. If you often deal with challenging urethane removal, you should consider these blades. What people say. The tool worked great. The design of the tool is well thought out. This tool made the job much easier. Number 1. Equalizer Ambush Cordless Windshield Urethane Removal Kit. This is the Equalizer Ambush, designed to tackle the toughest urethane. It's a cordless solution for quick and efficient windshield removal. The heavy-duty motor provides the power you need. The Ambush features a robust 20-volt motor. This motor ensures you can quickly remove even the most difficult glass. It gives you the power you need, without the hassle of cords. With its rubber overmolded comfort grip, it's easy to handle. It also has a quick-release blade clamp for fast blade changes. This makes the job easier and more comfortable. The kit comes with 3 hydro blades. These blades have dimples that carry cutting lubricant. This design makes cutting easier and reduces friction. The hydro blades deposit lubricant into the urethane. This allows the blade to slide easily. It also saves battery life and reduces vibration. The kit includes a 20-volt Li-ion battery, a charger, a BFE 1400 blade, safety glasses, and a carrying case. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like. This tool offers the convenience of cordless operation with a powerful 20-volt motor. It features hydroblade technology, which reduces friction and saves battery life. If you value ease of use and efficiency, you should consider this tool. What people say. Awesome tool. I've been using these extractors for years and it helps me get the job faster. Helps me get the job faster. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.